Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do different positions of arms in ballet. I'm going to teach you how to better position your fingers and arms. And right at the end, I'm going to give you some tips that are going to help you to improve your port de bras. Saying that, let's get to it. Let's begin by positioning your hands and your fingers. First, take your thumb, and this one is going to point towards the middle finger. Now, it's going to be stretched, but at the same time, relax. The rest of the fingers are going to be together, but slightly separated. Now, you're going to take this finger and the pinky, and they go slightly back. And that's going to be your ballet hand. Let's do the same with both hands now. The thumbs go towards the middle finger. They are all together. The index finger and pinky, they go back, and that's going to be your ballet hand. And now that you have hands positioned, let's start with the first position of arms in ballet. Don't worry much about the name of the positions because every ballet school have a different name, although they are all the same and they look the same. The Cuban Ballet School, we have first position of arms, which is going to be round arms. Elbows are going to be facing sideways. Your palms are going to be facing up to the sky, and your hands are going to be slightly separated from your hips. Now, upright position, proud chest, and chin up. That's going to be your first position of arms. Keep going up, the same round position. We have a big balloon between our arms. This time, this position is going to be between your belly button and your ribs, right there in the middle. This is going to be called preparatory position in the Cuban Ballet School. Now, notice that my arms is in a descending line and my wrist is not falling down. It's slightly holded there. Open chest, proud position. Now, the palms are going to be facing your chest. Elbows are going to be held by your back muscles. They are going to be engaged there. Now, from your preparatory position, we keep going all the way up to a fifth position. In this fifth position, we are going to have still proud chest. Elbows are going to be facing out. My palms are going to be facing my head back. They're going to be slightly forward in a way that if I lift my eyes without moving my chin, I can still see my arms. Next, we have second position. Arms are by your side, but your elbows are going to be in a straight line with your back. Again, this position is going to demonstrate a descending line between your shoulder higher than your elbow, elbow higher than your wrist, and your index finger goes slightly down. The palm of your hand are going to face each other. Elbows are going to be held by your back muscles. Engage there. And that's going to be second position of arm in ballet. In the Cuban Ballet School, our fourth position is going to be one arm in fifth and one arm in prepa. And it doesn't matter whether it's right or left hand up, as long as you have one hand in fifth and another one in prepa. That's going to be fourth position arms. Now, a little bit more challenging, in the Cuban Ballet School, we have three different third position of arms. Oh my God, yes. It's going to be a little bit hard to differentiate, but just follow along with me. We are going to have both arms on second position, and let's begin by moving right arm. First position and one arm in second. This is third of first. Now we move right arm up, and this is going to be third of preparation. This is going to be third of fifth. Now I'm going to give you a bonus. We are going to talk about allongé. Allongé is any position in which my arms are elongated, almost straight. Now, how do we do allongé? It can be done in any position, from second, from first, can be done from fourth position. What I want you to feel when you do allongé, the first thing that you're going to breathe or move are your elbows, and followed by your elbows, your wrist and your fingers are going to finish the movement. What do I mean by your fingers are going to finish the movements? So basically, your fingers are going to stretch forward And with your fingertips, you're going to point far away to the wall in front of you. Don't let them drop down or don't break up. They go forward, pointing far away. And that's going to be the whole time from any position. From second, we breathe. Then from first position, keep breathing. And your fingertips are pointing down, diagonal.